Home Show.
John from Huntington Woods, Michigan, has a question about chirping pipes.
Yeah, he saw our video, one of these where we talked about how the toilet was making the pipes chirp. Well, he's got a whole different problem. Right? John writes to us, we have a chirping, but it only happens when we run the washing machine and it calls for water, or as it shuts the water off. I can hear it from the pipes on the main floor, and the laundry is up on the second. So it started recently, but it's getting worse. What's the fix for this, Tom?
Well, I don't know about the chirping. If it's shutting down and they're getting a water hammer, that would be the most common thing. So the first thing to try, which doesn't cost anything, and just about anybody can do this, is just go outside or wherever your shutoff valve is. In Michigan, it might be very well in the basement, and turn the water off to the house, and then just drain the pipes as if you were going away on vacation in the wintertime and you didn't want any water in the pipes. Just drain them all. But before you turn the water back on, shut all the valves and then turn the water back on so it pressurizes the pipes and it forces air up into the chambers, which are the risers, which are shock absorbers throughout your plumbing. Most people don't know they have them. They're about an 18-inch piece of pipe that's just a riser. And what it does is it absorbs the pressure when you turn the water off. And washing machines, if you ever listen to them, they come on with a bang and they go off with a bang. And the newer ones are even worse. So a lot of people find problems when they get a new one as opposed to the old one they had. So try that first, and that should be okay. If you find it happening in a bathroom, because you say it's upstairs and you're hearing it downstairs, and you find it in a bathroom that's near a toilet or a sink, the toilet most importantly, turn the stop off to the toilet. That's the little valve behind the toilet, and don't let any water pressure go to the toilet. And if it stops, that means your toilet inside is resonating a little bit, and you might need to put a new filler valve in there. And so that could be pretty easily done too. I don't think you have a major problem at all.
And that would be connected to the washing machine happening in the toilet.
Well, it's the pipes, Charlie.
Okay.
When you have all that pressure going everywhere, because it's just pressured up pipes, right? They don't know which direction to go or anything. And then you stop it, it's like boom. It's just like somebody hit your ears with your two hands and wake you up. But it just has nowhere to send all that energy. There's a huge amount of energy of that when a pipe is running water or any kind of fluid through it. So and when you stop it fast, it's got to go somewhere.
So you're saying they're saying chirping, and what you think they're hearing is some kind of water hammer caused by the washing machine.
Water hammer. Some people call it a pipe resonating or banging a little bit. If it's a chirping, it's usually, I'm not sure. People give me these different words for the noises they hear.
Yeah.
I hear a bang, I hear a ghost, I hear all kinds of stuff. Okay.
Right, exactly.
And then some people, go to your mechanic, go, I hear this clunk, 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 whee! I don't know what this sounds like. They could send us a tape, I guess, or a video. But as far as that goes, I don't know if it's as much of a chirping as it is a little bit of a banging and popping noise or a little bit of noise in there.
All right. Whatever you got, we're happy to hear about it. Go ahead and send us your question at HomeShowRadio.com. Use the Ask Tom button. It's right there on our homepage. Fill out the form, send it in, and we'll answer it in a video just like this. We post one every day, 7 days a week, to our website at HomeShowRadio.com, to our Facebook page, and, of course, our YouTube channel.